Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if DeepSeek can create C# code. Yes, it can generate C# code as well as other languages, so let's ask it, for example, to make a simple Tetris game in C#. And you can see it generates the code. Also, it has included the steps, so it has to define the game grid, create the shapes, handle user input for moving and rotating pieces, and check for collisions and line clears, and update the game state and display the grid. So here is the code, it's not yet generated. Of course, you could also tell it to include any other libraries and frameworks, so it could do it with them. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See